Haven't even been here 2 minutes. I don't even have my net undone. And Alyssa's already pulled in one. She's got one. She's got one. She's got another. Oh, we do. You bring it up. Good save. There we go. He's got one. Right there. We've only been here about 10-15 minutes. And we've got 8. See the fish jumping just beyond her. She got one. There she comes. She got another. She's a fishing machine. Bring it up just a little bit more. There you go. Kenai, north side. 2025. You can see the fish. They're actually jumping at it. There she got one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she got it. She got it.
Man.
Yeah, she got it by hand.
Yeah, good old green-eyed sharks.
Yeah.
Dog sharks. A lot of people places actually, there's that roll.
Uh-huh, that death roll there. Got it.
That one's a little bruised up. That one might end up being dog food.
That's it?
That's it, 2.
Wow. But how are we doing on time?
I'll check it just a sec. The kids got one again.
Everybody's helping today.
He's got one. I hope he lost her.
That must have